guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is NY, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to make a balloon stand. So a lot of the subscriber or viewers out there is asking me how I made my balloon stand from our previous video. So anyway, I got this from Dollar Tree. So what I did is I used a regular plate, the size, and then just trace the circle right there. So in this particular whiteboard, I end up having 4. So as I said, you can get this at the Dollar Tree. It looks like a foam, like about this thick. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this with a scissor, or if you have an X-Acto knife, you can trace it. But I don't have the X-Acto knife, so I'm just gonna cut it using my scissor. Alright guys, so I finally got this cut out. So we got total of 4. Okay, so we also would need a champagne cup from Dollar Tree. So we'll use one of this right here. So we will put this is your cup right here. Champagne cup, you take this out, and then we'll put this in the center right here, right on the center. So now I'm gonna do a cutout again, so this will hold our stick. Some people, when they buy this at this is also from Dollar Tree, by the way, and some people, they'll use this is a balloon stick where you can stick your thing here, you can put your balloon. But some people use this, and then that's where they put the stand. There's another option, you can just glue this here, but for me, I don't like this. It's not that sturdy. I'm gonna use a champagne glass. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut out right here, cut a little piece, so eventually this will fit in here. Okay, but first we're gonna make a cutout. So just put this on the center right here and trace that one. So I will cut a hole right here. So maybe 2 of this with the hole, so this will sink in. Okay, so it's more sturdier. So guys, for this I don't have the X-Acto knife, so I'll be using a steak knife right here. So just follow the trace, cut the trace. There you go. Again, we'll do the other one. So as I said, we'll put 2. So guys, before I go further, I'm gonna do this one right here. This is gonna be our base. So as I said, I got this at the Dollar Tree, and this is your plastic champagne cup. I'm gonna use this one to cut this right here. Okay, so it's finally cut right here. Alright guys, so as I said, we have total of 4, and the 2 will make a cut in the center right here, just like how I showed you. So we will take this or glue this together using our glue gun. Just glue it here. Just like that, just glue them together. And then you use the other 2 here. The solid one, I'll put this on the bottom, so we will glue this as well. Okay. And there you go guys, so this would be on the bottom right here. And we will also glue this. Now all 4 together is going to be combined. So here you go guys, it's all glued together. So this one, you put this in the center and using your stick here, your balloon stick, again we get this at the Dollar Tree, make an indentation right on the center, right here. So right here if you can see. So I will put this here and I will glue the center so it holds better. I don't know if you can see, but I glue the center right there. And then this time put this here and that will stay in place. So to make it more sturdier, I'm gonna glue the side of the plastic. And this one here too. And just let it dry, and there you go. This is how I made my balloon stand. It's a DIY. You can use another stand here if it's not sturdy for you, if you want it like a little thicker. And also from the Dollar Tree, there's an extension right here you can use. It comes in a package, so you attach it here, and then if you want it longer or taller, so attach it like that, so you have a taller balloon stand. And there you go guys, this is how I made our balloon stand. So you also have another option. You can either use the whiteboard that you can get at Dollar Tree, or just a regular cardboard right here. Okay, the same outcome right here. It's just that this is nice and white, but you just have to cover this. If you need to use this, cover it with, wrap this with either balloon or plastic or paper. And here you go guys, this is the final look of our balloon stand. So as I said, you can use either the cardboard that you can get at the store, generally Dollar Tree, and this one is the regular cardboard. So I covered it with paper. So I put this thing on the side to add a look on it, so it'll be covered, especially for the cardboard. And if it's not that long, as I said, you can extend, okay? Or you can use any other stick. It doesn't have to be this kind, but as long as it's nice and sturdy. And there you go guys. Thank you all for watching, and once again, this is BamBamNY, and if you have any questions, just leave us some comment and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you.